What's happening, guys? So today we're going to be installing a new dash. It's not that great weather, so kind of heartbreaking that I'm inside the car. So yeah, that's the plan today. We're going to get like I said, the new one installed, get the airbag for the steering wheel on, and yeah, that's it. Let's crack on.
Be young. Be young.
So we're doing well so far, guys. We've got the dash installed fully with the screws in. I've managed to put the clock back in. I've got the screen connectors connected. It's yet to be installed properly, but I just want to make sure the wires are out in the right place and so on. The stereo has been connected, all apart from one wire, which I shall be connecting momentarily. But yeah, we made a hell of a lot of progress. I'm missing a fan, one of these, but the black ones, because obviously it's a black edition, so these have got black ones, and the one from the donor dash had grey ones or silver ones. So we don't want to be putting them in. So yeah, everything's working as it should at the moment. So I'm going to go ahead and put the steering wheel airbag in, just connect it. I've disconnected the battery, done that at least about half an hour ago, just to make sure, you know, all the power was drained out of the vehicle. Apparently, fortunately I've never experienced it, but apparently if you try to install an airbag while the battery is still connected, it will explode in your face. It's probably going to hurt. Lord. Fuck! So, yeah, you want to make sure you disconnect the battery and so on. I'm just looking at this wire which came from the new airbag. Ah, yeah, I was going to say I can see it. Yeah, never mind. Yeah, so I'm going to pop this on and crack on with tidying up the rest of the car. So yeah, let's get to it, man.
Lean. Exit made this. I'm about to take flight. Talk to me nice. Good make you bite. Need a check, no night. You get left, move right. No weapon, man, fight. In the steel, I cut the light. In the dark, I shine bright. Niggas die, I breathe life. You know lightning strikes twice. In the Batmobile, nice. Black tint, 4 pipes. Up and down all night. Had a hickey, cause she bite. Cross her off-white. See, she tryna spend the night. Need to cut us in the kite. You can lay up in the hotel car, get a good pipe. Kiss her forehead, good night. She said, what about the rum and booze? I say that shit's light. Should've seen the way I broke her down, the way she had a height. Left the room, she start to write. You coming back, I might. Call the coochie watertight. We might have to reunite. Play the damsel on the night. Gotta blow the fire light. Hope you have an appetite. That mouth gon' make me expedite. They say PM going crazy. Leave the girl in dismay. Walk around your crib, rage. You ask her why she can't say. See, I got the formula. You made a drip, I made a spray. Kill that pussy like a prey. Had to lay up for a day. She talking all that slick talk. I had to make her pay. Good. Make her crip walker, make her disobey. I used to want free hoes like I'm sat out with a sleigh. Now I want a sweet one on her money and can slay. I'm about to take flight. Talk to me nice. In the steel, I cut the light. In the dark, I shine bright. Niggas die, I breathe life. You know lightning strikes twice. In the Batmobile, nice. Black tint, 4 pipes. What, little bitch? Talk to me nice. I'm about to take flight. Talk to me nice. In the stew, I cut the light. In the dark, I shine bright. Niggas die, I breathe life. Lightning strikes twice. What?
Lucas.
Right guys, so we've completed the interior side of the car. As you can see, I have fitted the airbags, dashboard installed and steering wheel airbag, all components put back in place, nice and neat. Stereo, the center console part, I guess cover if you want to call it, I don't know. Yeah, airbag light's been reset. So yeah, inside's done. Just needs a good clean out now and to get rid of a few bits and bobs. But I'm happy with that all in all.